Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 8 powerful benefits of cloves that will improve your health. Cloves are a popular spice with a sweet and spicy taste that can make your recipe healthy and delectable. Cloves can be roasted, powdered, and taken with honey for relief from digestive disorders. Ayurveda suggests that cloves are effective in strengthening the immune system. Including cloves in your daily diet is a surefire way of reducing inflammation. Clove bud extracts help control the growth of pathogens, which can cause various oral diseases. Cloves can also be used for toothaches due to their pain-killing properties. To treat a headache, drink a glass of milk mixed with a paste of a few cloves and a dash of rock salt. Cloves also aid in curing cough and cold and soothing a sore throat. The antioxidants in cloves help you maintain a youthful skin. With all these benefits, it's surely time for you to stack cloves in your kitchen rack. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.